Good morning to all of you. 25-year male with known case of right renal stone, and he developed pyonephrosis resulting into urosepsis, and he was on the ventilator in Saudi Arabia for 11 days. After recovery, he has taken ESWL in Saudi, but there was residual stone of approximate 13 mm lower calyces, and calyceal anatomy was the complex. Which he has taken flight from Saudi and chosen me and my hospital for the further treatment for that stone. I did mini perk, that is very small keyhole surgery in the kidney, and removed the whole stone by thulium TFL laser fiber. He recovered and he was discharged in only one day with no any post-operative complication sort of things. A small kidney stone can cause very big damage. Thank you.